Hey, uh, before we start, let me ask you something real. Have you ever opened your mouth to speak and suddenly felt empty?
Yeah, that moment when everything disappears. It's scary.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm here with Emma.
Hey, uh, hi.
If you're listening right now and thinking, wow, that's me, stay.
Yeah, don't go yet. I always feel weird at the beginning. Like, am I doing this right?
That pause right there, that's human. Emma, let me say this clearly. What you struggle with is not English.
Really?
It's pressure.
That makes sense, because sometimes, even in my own language, I freeze.
Exactly. That's the clue.
So, it's not about words?
Nope. It's about safety. Take a breath with me.
Okay.
Good. Let me tell you something, Emma. Most confident speakers don't feel confident.
Wait, what?
They just learned how to be uncomfortable without panicking.
Oh, so they're just better at hiding it?
Pretty much.
That actually makes me feel better. I always thought something was wrong with me.
Nothing is wrong with you. Nothing ever was. If you remember only one thing today, remember this. You don't need more confidence. You need less fear.
Wow. Robert, why doesn't anyone say that?
Because fear is invisible, but its effects aren't. If you've ever replayed conversations in your head or thought, I should have said that better, this episode is for you.
Yeah, you're not alone.
Today, we're not fixing grammar. We're fixing pressure.
That already sounds lighter.
All right, let's slow this down.
I'm ready.
All right. Emma, let's talk about that block.
The scary one?
Yeah, that one. Most people think, I don't know enough words.
That's what I always think.
But that's not it. The block is your body.
My body? Not my brain?
Your body talks first.
So when my chest tightens, that's not language?
Nope. That's stress. Emma, remember last week when you said you froze in that meeting?
Oh, yeah. I knew what I wanted to say, but my mouth just didn't move.
Exactly. Here's what happens. Your brain hears danger.
But there is no danger.
Your body doesn't know that. It thinks, if I speak, I might be judged.
Oof. Yeah. My body is very dramatic.
Most bodies are. So instead of asking, how do I speak better? Ask, how do I feel safer?
That's a totally different question. That actually feels kinder. I'm not attacking myself anymore.
Good, because self-attack creates silence. Let me ask you something. When you talk to a close friend, do you freeze?
No, not at all.
Same English, different safety.
Wow. So my English isn't broken. My nervous system is just protecting me?
Exactly, Emma. That's why pushing yourself, speak faster, be confident, makes it worse.
I do that all the time. I tell myself, don't mess this up.
Your body hears danger. Pressure shuts the door. Safety opens it.
That's powerful. Why didn't anyone explain it like this before?
Because it sounds too simple. But simple is honest. If you're listening right now and nodding your head, this is your sign.
You're not alone.
In the next part, we'll show how to lower that pressure before you even speak.
Like a switch?
Exactly.
I already feel calmer.
Good. That's where real speaking starts. All right, Emma, now comes the most important part. What happens right before you speak?
That's the worst moment.
There's a small window, about 10 seconds.
10 seconds feels long.
It is, and that's good.
Usually I panic in those seconds.
Exactly. So we change what you do there. First thing, don't think.
I like that already.
Just feel your feet.
My feet?
Yes. Press them into the floor.
Oh, that's grounding.
Exactly, Emma. Your brain follows your body.
So if my body calms...
Your thoughts slow down. Let's try it now.
Okay, I'm standing, feet on the floor.
Good. Now exhale slowly.
Wow, I didn't realize how tense I was. My shoulders just dropped.
That's your body saying thank you. Next step. Make a sound.
A word?
Not yet. Just a sound.
Like,
Perfect.
That feels silly.
Native speakers do it constantly.
So I've been trying to sound perfect while they go,
Exactly. Now the sentence. But keep it small.
How small?
Half of what you want to say.
That's hard.
That's why it works. Imagine someone asks, "What do you think about this idea?"
Okay. I think it's interesting.
Stop.
Stop?
Yes.
I usually continue and then panic.
Stopping early is power. Confidence is not saying more. It's knowing when to stop.
That feels new.
How does your body feel now?
Calmer. Less tight.
Notice something. You spoke.
I did. And nothing bad happened.
Exactly. Your body just learned something. Every calm moment like this rewires confidence.
So confidence is built, not forced.
Yes, Emma.
Why did I think confidence was loud?
Movies. If you're listening right now, try this today. Feet, breath, sound, short sentence.
That's it?
In the next part, we'll talk about real conversations, interruptions, mistakes, and recovering smoothly.
That's what scares me most.
Then you'll love it.
Okay, Emma, let's talk about mistakes.
My favorite topic. That's where I panic the most. When I say something wrong and everyone hears it.
Yeah, that fear is heavy. Let me tell you something honest. Native speakers make mistakes constantly,
Really?
all the time. They just don't stop.
I stop.
Exactly. Mistakes don't kill conversations. Silence does.
That hits hard. So my silence is more awkward than my bad grammar?
Much more. Let's talk interruptions.
Oh no.
You're speaking, and someone jumps in.
That always throws me off.
Most people freeze. They think, I lost my chance.
Yes, exactly that.
But here's the secret. You didn't lose anything.
Really?
Conversation isn't a line. It's a circle.
I like that.
When you're interrupted, wait 1 second.
Just one?
Yes. Then say, yeah, and, or, right, so.
That's it?
That's it. Let's try. You start a sentence.
Okay. I think this idea
But what about the budget?
Yeah, and I think the budget matters too. Wow, I didn't freeze.
You recovered. Recovery is confidence, not perfection.
That changes everything. So I don't have to be smooth?
No, just present.
This feels more forgiving.
It is. Language is forgiving. Mistakes are not failures. They're signals
Signals of what?
of participation.
I always thought I had to earn the right to speak.
You already have it, Emma. If you're listening and you're afraid of messing up, remember this. Messy means involved. In the final part, we'll build a daily routine.
Something simple?
Very simple. Something you can actually keep.
Good.
All right. Emma, let's make this practical.
Yes, please.
This is not a big plan. It's a daily rhythm.
I like that word. Rhythm.
In the morning, say one sentence out loud.
Only one?
Only one. No fixing, no judging.
That already feels easier.
Midday, talk to yourself.
I already do that.
Perfect. Describe what you're doing. Simple words.
No pressure.
In the evening, remember one moment you spoke,
Even if it was small?
especially if it was small. Your body learns through repetition, not through forcing.
So I don't need to push myself?
No.
This feels kind. I've been very hard on myself.
Most learners are.
My inner voice is not very friendly.
We'll retrain it. Here's the biggest shift. Stop saying, I'm bad at speaking.
That's hard.
Say, I'm learning to feel safe speaking.
That feels different. I feel lighter, like something released.
That's progress. If you're listening right now and you feel stuck, you're not broken.
You never were.
Fluency is not a talent. It's a relationship.
With yourself.
Take your time. Your voice isn't going anywhere.
Thank you, Robert.
We'll stop here, but your journey continues.
Yeah, one calm sentence at a time.